I saw this video on YouTube just randomly, AI ruined my life, or AI stole my job, or something to that effect. It was a young guy that had a writing job for a YouTube channel, relatively successful one. They replaced him with AI. And yeah, he was feeling some kind of way about it. I remember feeling this way. I was, how old was I? I was 26 years old or something like that. You gotta remember, guys, I'm newly graduated. I don't know how things work. So I literally just found a listing of companies that were doing well in Denmark, like some of the biggest companies. I just sent them an email. I basically just spam them. Nothing happened. I don't know, I understand how this guy feels. I truly do. I wanted to ask you guys, how are you using AI? I've always been very, very skeptical of AI, but I just feel like I can't afford to not look into it. I can't afford to be completely ignorant and know nothing about it. So I've kind of forced myself to look into it and work with it. I'm most curious to hear what you guys are doing, how you are approaching this topic. Like, how is AI helping you, or how is AI not helping you? You know, I remember very, very clearly a time before cell phones. I even faintly remember a time before the internet. Before I had my own phone, I'd remember like most of the phone numbers by heart. But today, I barely remember any numbers because I don't have to. Like, my phone has taken over that job. So from that perspective, I'm extremely cautious. Do you remember 3D TVs? I don't think that's going to be the case for AI. I do think there is like a whole bunch of use cases for it. I think it's really, really helpful to run an email or text through ChatGPT, for instance, and just to polish it up and make it flow a little bit better. And you know, it's really, really good for that. When I got home after the drive yesterday, there was a big announcement from OpenAI. Looks like there's some hardware coming. Crazy stuff. What do you guys think? What do you think these products are gonna be? Built-in teleprompter in our glasses? Can you imagine something like that? Like, where are we going with this? Is this going to be good for us? During the Industrial Revolution, people would go into factories and ruin the machinery because it was stealing their jobs. I feel like, you know, it's here to stay. I've been trying to be a little bit more active with the comments and engaging with like-minded people, and it's been really fulfilling. Chris has been exceptionally generous and, you know, shared my channel with some of you guys who have now come to this channel, and I'm extremely thankful to Chris and for you guys to visit here. I hope you like the content, and I hope that you guys stay. I've also been kind of looking at Luis, who's another great YouTuber who's very, very like-minded, just like Chris, much more successful and further along the journey. I was asking him, like, when you're talking to the camera, like, who are you talking to? Like, you know, obviously we're talking to an audience, because I feel like when I go back and look at some like really old videos, I can see myself like talking about us in third person, you know, as in me and my wife and me in general. And then I kind of oscillate to this, when I'm just talking first person kind of view. So I could just see, like, you know, it changes, it oscillates, like who I'm talking to or who I imagine who I'm talking to. So it just got me thinking, like, how do people actually know what they're doing? How do they approach this? So I asked Luis, and he encouraged me to make a video about it. He's gonna make a video about it. I look very much forward to his thoughts on it, but unfortunately, I don't know what I'm doing, so I can't make a video about something that I don't know. Anyway, hang in there, guys. I'm gonna try to make my vlogs a little bit more digestible, faster paced. It's not because I don't like slower paced videos. I actually think one-cut vlogs are very, very impressive. I just can't make one myself. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you soon again. Bye.